Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. We're going to be unboxing and trying out the Slayglambox for the month of October 2022. So actually for this month, there was so much stuff that she couldn't fit it into regular packaging. So it's going to be coming in just a bag like this. And also girl, if you haven't received your box yet, don't worry. A few of the things got delayed. So that's why she was later shipping this month. But she is working to get everybody's box out. So if you're not familiar with the Slayglam Beauty Box, it's $24 a month. You're going to get 5 to 7 full-sized items. And I also have a discount code. It's Michelle Martin, just to save you 10% off your first subscription order. So if you like these types of unboxings, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. I also do spoilers for Slayglam, so definitely make sure you check out those videos. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So I actually already took everything out of the bag, of course. So we're going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this month's palette is Rasha B's Cosmetics. Now, Rasha is the owner of Rasha B's Cosmetics and Slayglam. So it's so cool that she incorporates her eyeshadows into the box. I love that. And her quality is fantastic. So if you are not subscribed to Slayglam, girl, you really should think about it because these palettes are totally worth it. Totally worth it. So first of all, let's just talk about the packaging. This packaging is gorgeous. I love the packaging on this. So when you open it up, of course, she has a mirror, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. So the top row is going to be like your green shades, and OMG, these are gorgeous. So this one here in the center is actually a duochrome. It has like a light mint green shift to it. I love it. This is a mint green. This mint green here. That's so pretty. And then we have this dark hunter green, which is gorgeous. And then our second row. Oh my God. These shades. This shade right here, Rasha said is her favorite, which I can see why. It looks like just like the packaging. How crazy is that? This yellow shade is a really beautiful as well. And then we have this orange tone here, which is beautiful. All of these feel like butter. They are just very smooth. The pigment is there. You get a lot of payoff with these colors. Okay, and then we have our last row. Ooh, that's a beautiful silver. I'm so happy that there's a brown in here. Ooh, look at that purple. I love that purple shade. I'm so excited to try this. This month's box was stuffed full. I mean, I cannot believe that we got all of this stuff for 24 bucks. So next up we have this gold eyeliner from Italia, and let me go ahead and swatch. These have been a hit and miss. I have a few of these eyeliners, and some of them show up really well in my waterline and some of them do not. So we're definitely going to try that one out today and see how that one works for us. Our next item is an item from the Beauty Crop, and this is their Lightning Crew Highlighting Cream. Does it tell me a shade? I don't think it tells me a shade on here, but it's just like a squeezy tube. And if you don't like cream or liquid highlighters, you can always add these in with a lotion. But ooh, look how pretty. And it will sheer out. So I do like that. So if you didn't want, you know, a really heavy glow, you can sheer it out to where it just has a sheen to your skin. So up next is going to be a 4-piece holographic lip gloss set from Bella Pierre. I can't believe we're getting 4 lip glosses. Like, how crazy is that? And if you're not crazy about lip glosses, I mean, this would be a great set to gift to somebody. So I'm going to start. This is the white shade. And they smell really good too. But these do have a little bit of color to them. So you can wear them alone if you want it. Ooh, I like that pink. That's beautiful. Ooh, that shade's pretty. I'm probably going to use this shade today. And last but not least is going to be this 3-piece set from the Beauty Crop. You're going to get a mini eyeshadow palette, a bronzer, and a setting spray. Hello. Slayglam is definitely knocking it out of the park. I mean, do you see all these products you're getting for $24? This month's box is really insane, and it's so loaded. So it is a little bit stiff on the opening, but that doesn't bother me. I mean, look at the little mini eyeshadows, and I love these types of palettes for a quick and easy look. There's not a ton of colors that you have to like sit there and try to pick through. You have your nice transition shades, you have a couple shimmers, and you have the mattes. I love that it has this dark brown to darken up your outer corner. So that's really nice. Ooh, and very buttery to the touch. Was not expecting that. And these are the shades. Like, this is definitely a palette that I will use as my daily. I definitely love that. And then we have this Vitamin Babe Hydrating Setting Mist with vitamin C. Let's just test the, oh, nice fine mist. It doesn't really have too much of a smell to it either. And this is our last item. This is the bronzer. So it looks like we get 2 different shades of bronzer here, which is really nice. And then you're going to get, this one almost looks like a highlighter. Oh, very, very smooth feeling. So yeah, I would say that one is the like highlighter. So you could probably top the 2 bronzers with that. Or you could use it as a highlighter as well. I'm going to use both palettes today. So I'm going to use this lighter shade right here, and I'm going to start that in my transition area. So this color does not have a lot of pigment on me, but that's fine. I just wanted this to start in my transition area anyway. But really smooth. It's going on nicely. So now I'm going to go into this orange shade here, and I'm going to put that right over top in my transition area. Ooh, really nice. This is a really nice orange color. I love that. So I think for today's look, I'm going to try to do a halo eye. I don't do halo eyes very often, but I think I'm going to take this dark brown, and then I'm going to use Rasha's favorite shade in the center and see how that turns out. I am going to start off with the dark brown on the outer and the inner corner. And just start building this brown color up. And then I'm going to place it on the inner corner as well. Ooh, I mean, do you see how this brown is like blending into that orange? It's blending so nicely together. Go back with that first brush. I'm not adding anything to this brush. I'm just blending out. And I'm going to do the same thing to this other eye. I'm going to start on the outer and build that brown color up. And I love that Rasha's formula is buildable, so much easier to work with. It's pigmented, but it's buildable. So it's not like too overwhelming from the beginning. This brown is so beautiful. Okay, so now for the center, I'm going to take this copper shade and put in the center. Ooh, look at how beautiful. These shimmers are stunning. Then I'm going to go back with the brown brush and just blend so I don't have any harsh lines. I mean, how pretty is that? I think I'm going to try to use my finger and just tap it in the center a bit more. I mean, whew, that is gorgeous. Okay, so again, I'm going to start with the brush and I'm going to place it where I want it. Then I'm going to go back with the first brown brush and blend. I'll put a little on my finger and just put it in the center. Because your finger really does amp it up. Does a little better than the brush does with the shadows. I'm just going to diffuse this out a little bit. Again, I'm going to go back with that first brush and I'm just going to run over top. Not adding anything to it. Okay, girl, so I'm gonna jump off camera really quick, do my foundation, and I will be right back. Okay, girl, I'm back. I got my foundation done and I popped on some lashes. I love this eye look. It looks so good. This eyeshadow is, it's good. I like it a lot. That center shade, I can see why is Rasha's favorite shade because it looks gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm going to use the bronzer to warm up my face, and I think I'm just going to use a mixture of the two matte colors. Ooh, yeah. Those two colors are really nice looking. They don't look muddy on the skin, so I like that. Put some on the jawline. And I am heavy-handed, so it's going on really nice. It's not looking muddy. I love that. That is a really nice bronzer, though. I like that a lot. And I am going to use this. No, I'm not. I'm going to use this for my highlighter. Oh, my God. I almost forgot about the highlighter. I'm just going to take a little dot. I'm going to rub it in between my fingers. And then I'm just going to kind of tap it on. Ooh. Very nice. Gonna put some on my cupid's bow. And some on my nose. I like because you can sheer it out. It's not just a big highlighter mess on your face. You can also build it up though. I like that. I did a black eyeliner in my waterline, so I'm going to take this gold one and put in the center. So I'm just going to put this in the center of my lower lash line. And it's very creamy, so I do like that. It's gliding on. See, it's not really showing up on my skin tone that well though. So I'm gonna take this highlighter shade and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. And this is just a subtle highlighter. So if you do like a shimmery bronzer, this would be great to top it with. So I'm gonna go back into the Rasha B Bonfire palette. So I'm just going to use my little pencil brush and I'm going to go into that dark brown shade and I'm going to put on the outer of the lower lash line and the inner of the lower lash line. I usually don't do halo eyes, but girl, this one is so good. And then of course I'm going to take Rasha's color here, her favorite color, and put it in the center over top of that eyeliner just to make it pop a little more. So cute. There was no fallout from either shade on my face, so I absolutely love that. It's awesome when you get an eyeshadow palette and there's no fallout on your face from the eyeshadows. Like, that makes such a difference. So we're actually going to try out this lip gloss right here. I think it'll match really well. But I am going to line my lips with just a dark brown liner. And let's try out this lip gloss. Oh, yes. Oh, that's beautiful. They smell really good too. That ties in with the eye look so well. I love that. Okay. So last but not least is the setting spray. I mean, I cannot believe we got so many products in this box. It's mind-blowing. Oh, that feels so nice on the face. Especially after all the powders. I love setting spray. Okay, girl, so this is the completed eye look. I mean, girl, is that not gorgeous? I love it. 10 out of 10 this month for Slayglam. I mean, she really just knocked it out of the park. If you are not subscribed to this box, girl, what are you waiting on? I mean, girl, just the palette alone is worth it. These palettes are amazing. Very good quality. The gold eyeliner is nice, but it really didn't show up on my skin too well. I haven't tried it in my waterline, but you know, it's an okay product. It is creamy. It went on really nice. It wasn't tugging on my skin, so I do appreciate that. This 3-piece set is amazing, and I really do love the bronzer and this eyeshadow palette. I used 2 shades out of here and they performed really nicely. So this is definitely going to be staying on my desk. Setting spray is really nice as well. I love this little highlighting cream. I'm definitely going to be using this, but I like highlighting creams and liquids. So I really think that this worked really nicely, and I like how that you can build it up or shear it out, whichever you prefer. It doesn't, like, as soon as you start tapping it down, dry to where you can't get it blended out, because I hate that. And then of course, girl, last but not least is the glosses. I'm a gloss girl, so yes, I love these glosses, and I can't believe we got a 4-pack. That is amazing. These glosses are really nice. I've received one of them either in Ice Cream or Slayglam in a previous box, and I use it nonstop, so I'm glad I got more colors to add to my collection. So yeah, girl, that was everything. So let me know what you think about this month's box down in the comments. I mean, I think they did a phenomenal job. Everything in the box coordinates, which she always does that. That's another thing that I love about Slayglam, is it always coordinates and it goes together. But girl, I mean, speaking fall time, hello, the perfect palette right here. But yeah, girl, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.